Years.
That feels good. It's not like when I pop my fingers.
Yeah, usually,
My fingers hurt.
like we usually like bend them. Yeah. This way, opening up the joint when we pull it feels a lot better than when we bend it. Nice. I'm gonna stretch you first. No pain with that?
Keep feeling my hip a little bit.
Good. Good. Both of those opened up really good. Good stuff.
Yeah.
Let's get you on this side now. Yes, ma'am. Good. Okay, so my hands are going to be here. I'm going to apply some pressure there already. Okay, deep breath. All the way out. All the way